In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEi and serial numbers on this phone. So you've got two methods, two options to reach those numbers. Let's start with the quicker one. So open your phone dealer at first and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got all numbers included, both IMEi numbers and also serial number of yours. Click on OK, and then you can also reach them via settings. So just click on settings at first. Now find and pick about phone. It's located at the bottom of the settings list. And now over here you've got IMEi numbers, and if you click on status, you will be able to read a serial number as well. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.